How to change Google Map routes. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change routes. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top, you can see this search bar. Tap on this search bar and search for the location that you want to go into. So it will pop up. Now you can see the option called directions. Tap on directions. So it has directly shown me a route in order to go there. But if you zoom in, there's another way too. So in order to change the route, simply tap on the one. So as you can see, it has been changed into another route. Most of the time gives you the best result or the best route in order to reach there. As you can see, there's the time difference too. So try choosing the one that is preferable for you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.